I expect that today's video is going to be quite a short video. We are working on this lovely little Allegro with the 1.3 petrol, and the thing that we're going to be replacing today is the coolant transmitter. Which I suppose in modern terms we would probably call a coolant temperature sensor. So basically it is the sensor that has a wire running from it essentially to the clocks on the dash, which lets you know how hot your engine is. That is the sensor that we're going to be replacing today. So our sensor is inside the engine bay. See if we can get you a good look at it. It is just here. So on this car we have this little turquoise and white wire going to it. There you go, very easy. This is a 16mm on this car. It's probably Imperial, but 16mm 12 point seems to fit this absolutely fine without rounding anything or risking rounding anything. So these are the part numbers for the sensor. The company that I have got this one here from is that one. You may also find this one from them if you need one. As I said before, 16mm. This is a water passage as well, so if you have not drained the coolant, water will come out. A little bit like that. Now in this car here, I am not worried about damaging the environment because it is just water in here. If your car has coolant in it, do not let the coolant just drain out onto the floor. It's not good for the environment, it's not good for the drains, it's not good for animals, especially from older cars. Someone's dog will come along and they will, drink it because it smells sweet and then it'll kill them. So do not let that drain onto the floor if your car has actual coolant in it. So all you want to do is thread in your new one gently. Yeah, get it started. If you have a power tool, you may use it, but do not go full hog. You don't want to use something super powerful and something that is brass or copper. There we go. So that's just caught, and I'm just going to give that a gentle turn like this. So I'll do very gently. Plug that back in, and now we can fill back up the coolant. So once you have installed your new transmitter sensor, what you want to do is top up the coolant, which is over here. So I'm going to take off the cap and then fill this up with actual coolant. There isn't really much to it on these cars. Basically, all you want to do is just top up the coolant, and if you do not have a pressure bleeder, then just squeeze the lower hose like this continuously until the air bubbles, the big air bubbles stop coming out of there, and that's it. When you start the car, put the once it is started, put the car on, put the interior fans on high, put the heat on high, run it up to temperature, make sure the coolant circulates through the whole system. Once the coolant has circulated through the whole system, that's it, it's bled, you're away. And all you need to do is just enjoy driving.